so excited for Halloween. It's my favorite holiday. And I love when people come to my house and pick something from my vending machine. Halloween's coming so soon, so I got this all ready. Halloween's in 2 weeks. I don't want to wait that long. I'm ready for Halloween now. I like cute Halloween baskets. It's almost that cute as me. But I'm cuter. Maybe I'm so cute I can get candy early. I'll go to Gekko. He'll get me candy. Take a seat. It's not Halloween yet. But my basket is empty. Yeah, but Halloween has come. But just that you have to get me candy. You always dressed up. We're friends. I'll give you as much candy as I can when it's Halloween. I can't wait that long. Skate. Oh, fine. Only one. Oh boy, which one should I get? Snickers. I'll help you. I got it. Oh no, another fell out. I guess you paid too much. Yay, my first candies. Bye, thank you. It's fun having candies from Gekko. Now I want more. Gekko might not get me a candy from Catboy. I need to get a new costume. Good thing I had this with me. What? I'm a policeman. Time to get more candy. Gekko skates. Don't you look familiar? Same basket, same costume, but a different hat. Hi, Catboy. And I'm Catboy and policeman. You have the same costume and the same thing. Skates Halloween today. In 2 weeks is Halloween. I bet you Catboy. No. Yeah, same voice, same costume, same bucket, same face. I gotta go. Bye, Catboy. Gekko's too smart. I better up my game. I'll be a pig here. I'm gonna go different basket. You don't know it's me. Right? Oink, oink, Gekko skates. I know you, Catboy. Same face, same eyes, same voice, same Catboy costume. But you have a different hat and basket. You just wanted to make you look like something else. No, I'm a pig and I'm hungry. So you're not buying it. Oh man. This time I'll get candy. It's Romeo! Wow, I got hot vending machine. That was a good deal. What would you be for Halloween? Catboy or Gekko? And like and subscribe. I love Halloween. The pretty trees, the crisp air, and decorations. This one is for Catboy. He'll love it. It's so cute. Ding dong. Bah, boo! Ah, it's a ghost! Where's Catboy? He should have been here 10 minutes ago. Ah! It's a ghost! Don't! I'm unarmed. It's me, Gekko. Oh, I knew that the whole time. Catboy, is that going to be your Halloween costume this year? No!
Oh, then what's it gonna be?
I'll show you.
I bet he's gonna be Gekko because he loves his best friend so much.
Oh, Gekko!
That's so scary. You're a fish. I thought you were gonna be Gekko. No!
What's wrong with being a fish? Fish so yummy. I'm dressed up like someone I love.
I thought you liked your best friend Gekko.
Sorry, I like fish for more. Yum, fishy.
I was gonna give this to my best friend, but my best friend likes fish.
Oh, I changed my mind. Oh, Gekko, I have something.
Aw, how cute. You do want to be like Gekko.
Gekko muscles. Okay, let's play. Ooh, a ghost like me, like 5 minutes ago. Bookity, bookity. Gekko, what are you going to be for Halloween?
I'll show you.
I bet he will be Catboy.
Hello, Catboy. Hey, I was just kidding. Come back. I'm gonna be Catboy.
I do like Romeo.
Please like and subscribe and watch more videos.
And goodbye and have a great day. Sprat!
Huh? Gekko, I can't believe it's Halloween already. We're going trick-or-treating together, right?
Yes, but first we need to change into our costumes. You're gonna like mine.
You might not like mine.
Woof, woof, woof. Owlette, where are you? It's me, Gekko.
Hey, Gekko or Chase, was that you in that costume? Come back here. It's Owlette. Here, let me show you. Hold on 1 second. See, ta-da, see me, and I'm going to change back into Luna Girl. Hold on. Here I am. No, it's really me. Come on, Gekko, don't you recognize my voice?
I hope she doesn't find me. Luna Girl's so annoying.
Ooh, look at this house. Looks a little haunted. Trick or treat. Oh, whoa, a giant sucker. Jackpot. Too bad Chase was too scared, or Gekko was too scared to come here. Oh, thank you for the giant
Watch
sucker.
out, it's Luna Girl.
Hey, it's not Luna Girl. Listen, I already told you I'm Owlette. I'm sick and tired of this, so I'm just going to change. You can have that sucker anyway. See, I'm Owlette.
Owlette, finally, you're here. There's Luna Girl and she was stealing candy.
Boys, let's just go to the other house.
I love Halloween. I can sticky slap everyone that comes to my door and steal all their candy. It's awesome because they say trick or treat. Mine is always a trick.
This is a nice house. I hope we get some chocolate.
Ooh, look, someone's coming now. My first victim.
Trick or treat! Oh no, that's Night Ninja!
Haha, I got you now, Gekko and Owlette. I'm not Gekko. Watch. I'm Romeo. I've been Romeo the whole time. Ha!
No! I thought you were Gekko!
Now give me some of those sticky slaps so I can sticky slap Owlette. Whoa ha ha ha. 3, 2, 1.
No!
Ha ha ha. You got no trick, not a treat. I can't believe you thought I was Gekko. Whoa ha ha ha. Whoa ha ha.
I don't think I'm ever going trick or treat again. Halloween is no longer my favorite holiday. The toys used in the video are new Calico Critter playsets. We have the special edition Halloween Calico Critter playset that included a cute ghost and a witch. And then we have the new Sweet Raspberry Home playset. And this includes a cute little bunny critter and this little crib and slide playset. I like this playhouse because the door doesn't really open and there's a mail slot, which is really cute. You can open it from the inside or the outside. There's plenty of windows, this front window, and then a nice porch and a side window, and there are areas here where you can connect to other Calico Critter playsets. And then the sticky splats used in this video are the brand new Crayola glitter dots, which are super cool and no mess. Well, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe and watch more videos.
Hey Owlette, what's going on? This huge chocolate bar is heavy.
I can't see. Oh, phew. Okay, I can see with one eye. Hi everybody, it's Valerie here, and we have a Halloween party going on. Whoa, are there surprises over there? Yeah. Super excited. Whoa, careful. Did the spider web get you? So we have a really cool spooky spider web. And the spider web has some ghosts. It's going to be a cool game. You need to walk across the spider web, stepping only on the blue. And if you fall off the spider web, you're out. And at the same time, you can't step on a ghost. And you have to pick up the toys that are in the middle of the web. And if you can get 5 toys here in the web, then you get a surprise back over here behind the ghosts. Ta-da! Awesome surprises. And then over here we have some ghosts and a pumpkin. Actually, it's an acorn squash. And we're going to see, it's kind of like pumpkin bowling. So we'll do that game last. All right, so we are going to have Catboy go first. Now try walking on the web and getting 5 toys. Don't step on the ghost. Whoa, you're really good at this. That was so close. 2, you got a hammerhead shark. That's pretty spooky. Now what?
Don't step on the ghost.
Okay, keep on going. You got 3 toys, 2 more to go, and then you get a big surprise. Oh no! No. 1 more. Can you get 1 more? Yay, you did it! Here's a hammerhead, Thomas, Chick Hicks, a Lego cool bicycle, and blue tomato. So high five. Now pick out a toy. What do you want? Do you want the kite? That's a cool kite. Let's see. It's a superhero one with Iron Man and the Hulk. All right, Gekko's next. And we're going to give Gekko only 10 seconds to do this because he's older. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1000. You got all of those in less than 7 seconds. Wow. Now get a surprise. I don't know if our Ninjalino will get those that quick. So you picked out a Hatchimal. You get just 1 for now. All right, it's hatching. It hatched. It's so suspenseful. Come on. Something purple. Is that a doggy? Guess what? It's a kangaroo. Like that cute little tail. Boing, boing, boing. It's little Joey. All right, now it's Night Ninja's turn. And let's see, watch out for the ghost. You almost stepped on it already. Whoa, whoa, you just stepped on the carpet. It's like hot lava. Here, let's start over again. Okay, so we're starting over again. We got 1 toy. 2 toys. Wait. You stepped on the carpet again, Ninjalino.
He's a baby.
What are you doing? You're just getting toys. Okay, we'll let you get some toys. Are you stepping on the spider web? Yeah, only the spider web. Woo! Yeah, go get Meter. There you go, yay! Okay, you tried, so we'll give you a surprise.
Yeah.
So are you so excited? You got a prize even though you didn't exactly do the game right, huh? Yeah. Let's open up your Lightning McQueen blind bag. Gekko's helping. Yeah, super Gekko muscles. What is it?
Storm.
Whoa, cool. Now let's play our pumpkin bowling.
And you get a surprise if you knock over all of them.
Okay, so we'll let, oh, Catboy's there. Catboy first, roll that pumpkin. You got, let's see, there's only 4 left standing. You get 2 tries, because in bowling you get 2 tries. Here, you can try the acorn squash. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't blow up. Oh, you got 1 more. Good job. Now let's see who does the best. We'll let Gekko go and then Night Ninja. So let's set it up. Okay, now it's Gekko's turn with Super Gekko muscles. Holy cow.
1 more left.
Okay, yeah, 1 more left. These ones got knocked over, so they're fine. So just this one. You did it! Yeah, now let's see Night Ninja. Super Night Ninja muscles! Night Ninja's turn! Whoa! All of them but 2, I think. So 1 second, let's move these out of the way. You just have to get these 2 right there. Here, try again. Roll. Oh, you got it. Now 1 more. Yay! So now let's open up some more surprises. So you want to open up the McDonald's toy, you got some Hatchimals. We're waiting for Gekko to open up the Hatchimal. And I wanted to tell you that these games were super easy to create. And you can set up these games in your home and even for a Halloween party. Super fun. So what did we get? What is it? Look, we got a cute little bunny. What? Yoink! Night Ninja! Oh, you're sharing, huh? Are you sharing? So we'll open up this McDonald's Mr. Incredible toy from Incredibles 2 and see what that does. And are you trying to walk on there and balance, huh, Catboy? That's good. What, you want Gekko to move? Move over, Gekko. You're in the spider web. You're trapped in there. Oh, now Night Ninja is. Can you walk around Night Ninja? Ooh, good. Oh, now there's a pumpkin.
You can't step on pumpkins.
Yeah, you can't step on pumpkins or ghosts. Okay, so here's the toy, Mr. Incredible. Whoa, what happened there? Did he knock off a rock? He broke a rock in half? Let's see that again. Mr. Incredible, whoa, cool. Okay, one more time. Woohoo! Hey, Mr. Incredible, I have a surprise for you. Boogity boogity, ah! Ooh, boogity! Uh-huh.
Boogity boogity, I'll scare your dad.
What? The ghost will scare your dad? And look at that tower.
Whoa!
I got Night Ninja. Woo! Good job.
That means I get a surprise from the car.
Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. And write down in the comment section, boogity boogity, write down in the comment section which game you like the most. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Hi everybody, it's Valerie here with our U.S. Postal worker, Dino. And we have our baby Gekko with Super Gekko muscles. Where's your Super Gekko muscles? Can you show us your Super Gekko muscles? Yeah, there's your muscles. How old are you? 2.
My muscle.
There's your muscles. You have a lot of muscles, huh? And today we have a really cool Halloween party game. It is called Trick or Treat. So for this game, there are some tricks and treats inside these cups. So I made this game, and you could make this at home or for a school party. It's just these plastic cups. I hot glued the cups with a hot glue gun and glued it to a poster board. So it's pretty easy. And then I put napkins and a rubber band around it. So you can either poke inside the cup or you can take the napkin off. So, Dino, wait, there's Toby. Hey, do you want to see if you can find a trick or a treat? Oh, we got 2 at once. What did we get? Let's see, a McDonald's toy? And a little cart, looks like. 2 surprises. It's a McDonald's Happy Meal. Hey, and you opened up 2 surprises. What are you doing, little Gekko? So what did you find? We got a cutie car. We got the adorable cheesy rider. And it includes a cheesy Shopkin that goes inside. Isn't that so cute? It's a little mouse. There's some cheese on top. And what was the other thing you opened, little Gekko? Huh? What's that? Is that a lollipop? Or a pick-me-pop? These are so awesome. Do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Here, Toby, why don't you help him, okay? And who did you get? Dash? Let's see who we get. And this is the second series of Pick Me Pops. Oh, what is that? Oh, a rhino? That is so cute. So we got Rock, who is common. Awesome.
This.
Yeah, and that, the rhino. Cute. Now it's Toby's turn. What one are you going to get? A trick or a treat? Can you poke it through? Oh, wait, I think did he get it? Whoa, yeah, he did. Okay. What is it?
Lego.
Legos, awesome. This is a hot dog cart. So this will be cool.
My turn.
Yep, so now it's our postal worker's turn. Whoa, that's a big fuzzy ball. This is a brand new Moose Toys Pick Me Pop. It is a cotton candy edition, so it looks like cotton candy. And it smells so good, huh? You want to smell it? and then you turn it right side out and it'll be an animal. So let's see what we get. Oh, that's a cute little purple kitty. Aww, I love little kitties wagging its tail. And then there was another surprise in here. What's that? A necklace? Is that like a little tag for your pet? So it includes a little hologram sort of bracelet. Then on the other side it says, "Very best friends forever." How cute. Okay, little Gekko, do you want to open up something else? Yeah, punch a hole in it. Punch, punch. Yeah, or do that. You got another Pick Me Pop. Wow, you're lucky. Do you like those? Yeah, maybe you knew. Okay, so there it's open. There you go. What is that? Whoa, that one has stripes. Is that a lizard? Oh, it is. That's so cute. So you got Camo the Chameleon, who is also common. So you got two of them, huh? Camo and Rock. So now let's look at the cool hot dog cart. Ta-da! This makes me hungry for hot dogs.
And cotton candy.
Yeah, and cotton candy. Okay, now Toby, open up something else. Whoa. What's in there? Trick or treat? Oh, it's a treat. You got a cement mixer and a police car. Hot Wheels toys. Awesome. Look at this one. This one really spins. And it can dump. Yeah, and there's a police car. Woo, woo, woo. There's Dash. Okay. Toby's going to go again. What did you get? A trick? What is that? Dental floss. I thought that'd be a funny trick, but maybe you like it.
It tastes like mint.
Does it taste like cotton candy from all those new toys?
Mint.
Mint? A treat. Okay, go ahead. Both of you can go. Yeah, you can open it. Yeah, go ahead. What's in there? A trick? What did you get? A paper clip. But maybe that's not a trick. Maybe you could use a paper clip for your root. And what did you get, little Gekko? Oh, cool. Mac. Okay, what do you get? Oh, these are brand new. These are really cool. We haven't opened these yet. So let me see it. What is it called again? Ooshies? These are Disney Ooshie blank bags. Okay, what do you have? Oh, cool. You got a Disney Car Toys blind bag. What's that? Winnie the Pooh?
Oh, it's a fire truck.
Whoa, do you want the fire truck? How nice. Yeah, you like fire trucks, huh? What is going on there? Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a figurine. And it's a little bit squishy. Toby, go ahead. Soft is it? What is it? Oh no, you're breaking it! What is it? This is kind of what you got a leg. Frog legs, yummy. I think Gekko's a little bit concerned about that. Frogs are his friend. So you got some frog legs and another kind of leg. And guess what? That's one of the grand prizes here because I have a whole bunch of them back over here. So you can have all of these. These are called Animoodles. They're really cool. I'll show you. They have magnets in them and you can mix and match them. See, look, whoa, the unicorn's head popped off and then, its leg. And then what's over here? An elephant. Isn't that cute with a hair bow? Like it has a hair bow.
I hit the jackpot.
You hit the jackpot. Okay, but we still have a few more things to open, so why don't you open one? Yeah, and let me see. I'll open one too. Oh, cool. Another Ooshies. And then, oh, you got something. Did he get Ooshies? I'm going to open one. What did I get? Ah, cool. I got some cars. These are wooden ones. And look, ta-da! Going through the garbage.
I think I got it.
Okay, what do you have?
Oh, it's Mr. Incredible.
What? Really? Cool. Mr. Incredible.
My turn.
Okay, what are you going to get? More Ooshies. Holy cow. We got all of those at the end. Oh, did you get, is it Mowgli from the Jungle Book?
Maybe.
So it kind of looks like. Write it down in the comment section what you think that is.
Okay, my turn.
It has to be, I think. Trick! You opened up the last trick! A hair tie! Thanks. Hair tie, haha. What else is in there?
Oh, look what you got!
Oh, a cutie car! And there was one I think you poked out, but we didn't get yet. It's our last one. That's Catboy with a cool blue mask and one of these party blowers. Ah! Let's see if we got any rare ones. Do they have rare ones? Yeah, collect all 48, it said. Oh, you got Jessie. Cool, party time. So we got Jessie, who is rare. Woo! That was Mr. Incredible.
Whoa, did you see this? Look. When it drives, look.
Whoa, that's awesome. When it drives, the hot dog moves. Here is our kitty car, and its name is Speed Camera. It looks like it's a little puppy. So there's a camera, and it looks like it's printing out a picture. So I have some cold water in a cup. You could just brush this, so I kind of want to see what happens if the car just gets a full dunk. 1, 2, 3, woo! And let's see if it changed colors. Ooh, it's cold water. Whoa, it's purple!
It's blue.
Yeah, so warm water turns it blue. Cold water turns it purple. Yep, and now the kitty car is a convertible, just like Disney Car Toys' awesome convertible. So Toby's playing with the Animoodles, and look, this one has all the heads. What happened there? What's really cute, so there's a cute unicorn, the monkey, frog, a sloth, and an elephant. I also have this card with them, the Animoodles. There's Randy the orangutan, so that's what it is, an orange orangutan. He's a clever thinker. Hey, Vending, I'm talking. Then there's Hazel Sloth, who does peaceful yoga. Miguel Frog, joyful musician. Brandy Lion, who is a brave vegetarian. I don't know about that one. I don't know if lions could be vegetarians. And then Iris Unicorn, who is a lost adventurer. And then there's Sophie Elephant, who is, oh, this one's a limited edition. Gentle historian. Cute. So what's going on there, Toby? There's an elephant tail, but then a lot of legs. So funny. I'll make one too. So here's my creation with Sophia the elephant, but she has some wings like a unicorn, a orangutan hand, a unicorn foot, lion foot, and a froggy hand. I think that looks actually pretty good. And there's our mailman's creation. Looks like a lot of legs too.
All legs in one body.
Yeah, all legs and a orangutan body. Hi everyone, please remember to like this video and subscribe. And write down in the comment section if you think this would be a fun Halloween game.